Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products to make your life easier. In today's video, we're looking at what might just be the best foldable camping chair with a cup holder you can get your hands on. The Amazon Basics Camping Chair. Large, Mesh Back Edition. Let's kick things off with comfort, the #1 priority when it comes to outdoor seating. This chair features a spacious design, measuring 21 inches deep, 28 inches wide, and 36 inches high. It's designed to accommodate a range of body types without feeling cramped. The mesh back is a standout feature, especially if you're camping in warmer weather. It allows for ventilation so you can stay cool while enjoying the outdoors. Whether you're lounging by a lake, enjoying a tailgate, or sitting around a fire pit, the ergonomic shape and breathable material make a noticeable difference in overall comfort. Now, let's talk practicality. The chair includes a built-in cup holder on one armrest, perfect for holding your open drinks securely. But it doesn't stop there. On the other side, you'll find a soft cooler pouch that can hold up to 4 12-ounce cans. It's a simple yet brilliant addition that ensures you won't be making constant trips to the cooler. Whether you're sipping on sodas or something stronger, everything stays within arm's reach. Adding to its usefulness is a generously sized side pocket. It's perfect for stashing your phone, keys, sunscreen, snacks, or even a book. These kinds of thoughtful storage features transform this from a basic camp chair to a mobile relaxation station. Durability is another strong point. The Amazon Basics Camping Chair is constructed with a heavy-duty alloy steel frame. It feels stable and secure when you sit in it, not wobbly or flimsy like some cheaper options on the market. The seat material is made from tough polyester textile, which not only supports your weight but is also resistant to wear and tear from outdoor use. Despite its solid build, the chair only weighs about 7 pounds, light enough to carry over short distances without effort. Speaking of portability, this chair comes with a convenient carrying bag. The shoulder strap on the bag makes it easy to sling over your shoulder and take to the beach, a park, or even a sports game. And folding the chair down is quick and intuitive. It collapses compactly and fits into the bag without a fight, making it ideal for people who value both ease of setup and transportation. There are also other styles available, including padded versions and extra-large options, if you want something more plush or more spacious. In summary, if you're looking for a reliable and comfortable camping chair that's thoughtfully designed and won't break the bank, the Amazon Basics Camping Chair with mesh back absolutely delivers. From the cup holder and cooler pouch to its sturdy frame and easy portability, this chair ticks all the boxes for a great outdoor companion. That's it for today's product critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more no-nonsense product breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and happy camping!